Right, let me come over here. It's a little bit shaded. Yeah. Right, so here we are, another weekend, another bit of a day on the track, and we've brought the other ferret now today. And there is more here for a play day. And to be honest, I think I'm going to be doing more of a play day today, but we've got a bit of something to do. Footage I had of what I did last night and this morning hasn't recorded because I didn't press record. Didn't press record, so I'll just have to show you. So we started getting this all done, all cemented in, trying to get an idea where we go with it. Obviously it looks like there's just loads of small bits in it, but I've got some big stuff to pick up. Hope to make a nice bigger mound further around the back area. That's all filled in, ready to go, so we just need to get a load more sand cement, start building properly, as opposed to just looking like this slapdash load of crap. Obviously once we've done that, we can start obviously building around the back of the support, and we can build properly in the middle section just there. And then obviously we'll be moving over to the back, but today the plan really is, like I say, more to have a bit of a play, test everything out. Hope Keane doesn't smash his car on the back, and get this wire mesh pour in that I've decided to go with, and you'll see obviously. Wait for it. So like I said, it's going to be more of a play, bit more of a play day today, and we've bought quite a few things to have a go with. So we've obviously got the crawler, the TRX4, the white one. I've got my Landy, the D90, but we've also brought the old FTX Outlaw. Hey? No, because I think it was a bit too wide for that. So we've got the Outlaw, which is one of my pride and joys. And everyone's going to ask, just an FTX. Well, this one has had more hammer than you can imagine, but that's here to play. Of course, we've got the UDR, because no RC collection is complete without some sort of Traxxas. Or the absolute nutcase that is the Mojave from Armour. And of course, we've got the baby, because we've got to have a little one to play with. And then our lad's got his little basket, which again, FTX bought. It has survived three or 4 years now. I've been ragging it, and it is not gentle, that's for sure. So let's gonna get a bit of work done first, and then we'll have a play. So, this was the plan. Just made a bit scrap bit of wood. Something we can change every time we go up and down. Just move them about wherever we want. Got some stone in. The only problem I've got is it's a little on the wobbly side, so I'm going to have to make an A-frame for it. Definitely. most of the big stuff can't go over the middle where I'm building. I do want to keep that. So the plan is to replicate the A-frame, obviously higher up. Yeah, that probably wants splitting down though, Kian, that does. So we're going to build an A-frame higher up, so it's about probably so high, at least when the big stuff is still coming over the bridge. We've had enough for today. It is 3:15. We've not been here that long, probably 3 hours. But we've done what I wanted to do, so I'll just show you. What we wanted was the wire mesh. Just something different to support something in the way of an obstacle. It's not like full-blown rocks and anything. Just scraps of stuff just to, you know, have something different rather than just being the same thing, just wood everywhere or just massive obstacles you can't get over. Just something different, another route, another circuit, somewhere to go. Stone in the middle, just to, again, just balance it out between natural obstacles and then just crap. It's kind of what we wanted. What I've really liked doing was mocking this up. That is where I think I want it, and we've had a little play with it. It's a bit loose, obviously, because it's only dry. There's no cement holding it together, but it's just about doable as is. So once we've got to a point where we more sand and cement, we'll come down and get it all put together. Obviously, we want to put some more around the side, around the back, just to try and obviously hide the tyres more than anything. But obviously, they've served their purpose exactly what we wanted. This hasn't quite gone off, but it will do hopefully the next couple of days, unless it hammers it down like hell later on today or tomorrow. And then we can start building on there as well. Well, not so much building, but putting more stone on. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. That's what we've done today. Now we're going to have a play with some bashes.